In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Myanmar with Remitly. To get started, open the Remitly app or go to the Remitly website and sign into your account. If you're new to Remitly and don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first before continuing. Make sure you're using the correct app or official website so your transfer is secure and your information is protected. Once you're inside your account, look at the country option at the top of the screen. Tap or click on it, then select Myanmar as the destination country. This step is important because it sets up the transfer route and shows you the delivery and payment options available for sending money there. After selecting Myanmar, click Send Money. This will take you into the transfer process. At this point, Remitly may ask who you're sending money to. If the recipient's contact information is already saved in your account, you can simply select that contact to save time. If not, choose the option to add a new contact. Then select their country as Myanmar and continue entering the required recipient information. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the exchange rate, transfer fees, and the amount the recipient will receive. This helps you double-check everything before moving forward and avoids confusion later. Once the amount is entered, choose the delivery method. Depending on what's available, this could include options like bank deposit or another supported receiving method. Be sure to select the one that matches how your recipient wants to receive the funds. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, and the available choices may vary depending on your location and account setup. When you've chosen the payment option that works best for you, click Continue. From there, enter the recipient's account details carefully if they are required for the delivery method you selected. It's very important to check this information closely because even a small mistake can delay the transfer or send it to the wrong account. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Before confirming, take one last look at the amount, recipient information, delivery method, and payment details to make sure everything is correct. Once submitted, Remitly will process the transfer and usually provide a confirmation and tracking updates so you can monitor its progress.